Every day, plastic waste like this is thrown away, harming our environment and ending up in landfills, oceans, and our own food chain. So, we wondered, what if we could turn this plastic into something better? While plastic waste is piling up, the demand for affordable 3D printing filament is also increasing. Yet, these two problems rarely connect. So, we asked ourselves, what if we could convert this plastic into something useful?
We started a small idea and became something real.
We wanted to prove that plastic can do more than pollute.
It can create.
With some potential. Every bottle thrown away is an opportunity waiting to be reused. At the same time, we noticed how fast 3D printing is growing in our schools and community. But there was a problem, the filament. It's expensive, often imported, and not easy for students or makerspaces to get. That's simply. What if we could use this everyday bottles into 3D printing filaments? Suddenly, a waste problem turned into an innovation challenge.
Our idea was simple. We want to convert this plastic waste which gets thrown away and ends up in landfills, oceans, into something useful, which can be used by students, hobbyists, institutions, schools, and everywhere where people are interested in 3D printing. And this is our prototype, where we turn plastic waste into 3D printing filament, which has three main parts. As you can see, this is the cutter, which cuts the plastic bottles into 7.5 mm strips, and which is went through the extruder, which heats up to 100 degrees Celsius. And then when we turn the motor on, it spools it into 1 kg filament rolls, and this can be sold in the commercial.
To summarize our idea, we convert plastic bottles into 3D printing filament. We reduce waste and make filament affordable for everyone. Thank you for watching our video.